Because this is an Azure objective, we're going to look at the Azure Monitor, including log analytics and other types of alerts and insights, one more time for our AZ900 exam. Let's start with Azure Monitor. It's a platform for collecting, analyzing, visualizing, and alerting based on metrics. You can be notified when resources hit certain thresholds, and we did do a demonstration of this in an earlier video. The metrics provide numerical time series data that represents the performance of your Azure resources. Activity logs are event-based, time series data that can be queried and analyzed. It can really assist to let you know if you have any resource drift, such as needing more resources than you originally thought, or if you might notice in the log some sort of security or other issue. Log analytics, alerts, and insights, it's a little bit different than what you're going to find with the activity logs. Log analytics are going to provide a central repository known as the Log Analytics Workspace. And it's going to give you information from sources like virtual machines, web applications, network devices, and other services. You can also see the use of the Custo Query Language, or KQL. Log Analytics utilizes the KQL for powerful querying and analysis of collected log data. It takes a little bit of time to learn KQL, and it's not a big part of the AZ900 objectives and exam. However, it's a good idea to understand that Log Analytics does use the Custo Query Language. Also, it integrates with Azure Monitor. Log Analytics integrates with the Monitor, working in conjunction with other features like metrics, alerts, and insights to provide comprehensive monitoring. Proactive monitoring and alerting can help you by analyzing log data. This is where users can set up alerts based on specific conditions or patterns and trigger notifications or automated actions when issues are detected. There's other Azure service support as well. Log Analytics Workspace serves as a foundation for other Azure services like Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender for Cloud, both of which we've discussed and demonstrated in previous videos. You can also determine the data retention and management of your logs. You can set up daily caps, for instance, to help keep storage costs low. Application Insights is a feature of Azure Monitor, and it allows you to monitor running applications, which automatically detects performance anomalies, and uses built-in analytics tools to see what users do on an application. That's an important piece of this because you want to know that your users are using the applications for which you're paying. All of these different types of tools and features can help you keep costs low, keep security high, and make sure that all of your resources are acting as they should.